All right, let's talk My Positions. This is the page you'll live in once you've got positions running. Think of this as your home base. You pop in, see what's in range, what's drifting, what's earning, and what needs attention at a glance. I'm going to start at the top and give you a quick tour of what matters on this page. Up top, you can see your current portfolio value and your current P&L. Right next to that, you get the range status summary, in range, near edge, and out of range. You can also see how many positions you have, how much you have in total pending fees, and your portfolio true APR. If you want the exact definition, click the info icon next to true APR. The tooltip explains what it is and why it's important. From here, you've got the usual controls to filter and sort your positions. And you can switch between card view and table view. I like card view, so we'll stay on cards for this walkthrough. You can also compound all positions in a single transaction, or collect across positions the same way. When you click Compound All, it previews which positions would be included right now, before you confirm anything. Now let's look at an individual position card. On each card, you can see fees earned, current value, P&L, and true APR for that specific position. You can also click the info icon next to P&L for a breakdown of how we calculate it. The card also shows where you are in your current price range, plus quick buttons to compound, collect, and share. If you click Share, the system generates a shareable image of your position. You can choose what to reveal, hide ranges, hide USD values and share percentages only, or show everything. Then you can copy the image or download it, and you can also copy a link to share the exact range setup used for this position. Back on the card, you'll also see the Manage button. We'll cover managing positions in the next video, but that's where you'd go to change range, add capital, set up automation, and view position level analytics. Now for grouping. If you enable Group by Pair, your positions collapse into pair groups. When you click into a group, you can view and manage that set together, including group-level compound and collect actions when multiple positions are ready. At the top of a group view, you'll see a group summary, total value, total P&L, fees, and how many of those positions are in range. And one of the coolest parts is the range chart. You can see the history of ranges across the positions in that group, and toggle specific ranges on or off to focus on one position's history. All right, that's My Positions. This page is for scanning and batching actions fast, not getting lost in tabs. Next, we'll take a look at the Manage Position page, so you can see exactly where you change range, add capital, and set up automation.